Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Looker Studio connectors using Google Cloud credentials, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin authorizing Looker Studio connectors using Google Cloud credentials, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Looker Studio homepage. Sign in with your Google account if you aren't already logged in. Once logged in, locate the Create button in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on Create and select Data Source from the drop-down menu. In the Data Source selection, find the connector you want to use. Click on the connector to open its setup page. You may see a prompt to select your Google Cloud project. If this prompt appears, click on Select a Project. A dialog will appear for you to choose the appropriate Google Cloud project. Select the project that contains your required data. If you don't have a project yet, you'll need to create one in the Google Cloud Console. Once you choose the project, you may need to authorize Looker Studio to access your data. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant the necessary permissions. After authorization, you'll be redirected back to the connector setup page. You can now enter the required configuration details for your data source. Fill in any required fields, which may vary depending on the specific connector. Once all necessary information is entered, click on Connect to establish the link. If everything is set up correctly, Looker Studio will display a preview of your data. Check the data for accuracy and integrity. After confirming that your data looks good, click on Add to Report to finalize the process. Now, your Looker Studio report is ready to utilize the authorized connector. You have successfully authorized Looker Studio connectors using Google Cloud credentials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.